Today I have a newer product, or a newer product. It's new to me. Want to know what's inside? Come on then, let's find out. Hi everyone, welcome to IoT X's on Tech. Happy New Year! This is my first video of the new year 2020. How's it all going, everybody? If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button below. So on today's episode, I've ordered myself a product off Amazon that you might have seen before if you're into the YouTube videos, making YouTube videos, photography, or even just filmography even. I'd love to get into that one day again. So this is a newer product. I have the scissors, so let's crack open this package. So I got this off Amazon last night. I had a good deal actually. It was $49.94, but then there's a 5% off code, which is good. And then I used my Christmas money to buy this. It is the Neewer LED photography light, LED-NL660. So this is a 660 LED studio light. So how do we open this? There we go. So this isn't the one with the LCD display on the back. Oh, nice packaging, I must say. So we got product here, number of LEDs, maximum illuminance is 3,300 lux at 1 meter. It's a bi-color, so it ranges from 3,200 Kelvin up to 56,000, 5,600 Kelvin. A maximum power is 40 watts. So this comes with the power pack, but you can buy batteries for it as well. I will be investing in some of them in the future. Very nice. Comes in another plastic bag. Let's get rid of the box. So this one is the one that comes with barn doors. Barn doors, I hear you say on a light. Yeah, you know, the black metal floppy things. Oh, I'll show you now. Nice little bag. Ooh, dang. So you got the information leaflet, preface. Okay. Oh, it just tells you what comes in the box, so that's cool. You've probably watched unboxing videos of these in the past. Well, this is just one I want to make, just to show you what what new products, what items I have in my new studio, or in my studio, should I say? And there it is. Nice blue color to go with my tripod. What was that? Silica gel. More plastic. Crikey. I like the color blue. That's nice. Let's tighten that up a little bit. See, these are barn doors. If you didn't know what they are already, they help direct the light. Ooh, very nice. I like the color blue. That's really nice, isn't it? 2 batteries pop in there. They're your dials for dialing in the whiteness or the yellowness, should we say? Coolness. That's cool. That's warm. Oh, let's plonk that down by there. So in here, UK, of course, I got the UK power plug. Lots of plastic. And then, of course, the power brick. So pop that out there. Let's do the old measuring test, shall we? So, as we know, from there to there is 1 meter. So that's 1. And a little bit. This one hopefully will be longer. So this is 1. We'll call that 2. All right, let's plug that in there. Now I need to get a plug up back now. Okay, so I've plugged in the power supply, but first of all, I want to check to see if it does work off a single battery. Well, that seems a bit floppy, doesn't it? Oh, bit of a floppy one. It's got screws, so I'll tighten that up afterwards. The barn doors, by the way, you can unscrew them. And I've seen a top tip on one of the videos on YouTube as well. It's got extra holes by there. So people have been saying, oh, you can't tilt it down because the bottom of the barn door, the bottom flap of the barn doors hits on the seat frame. But if we just undo these, and there we go. You can now tilt it down. Oh, well, apart from the side flaps come in. Maybe if we're gonna have it hanging upside down, then I think that'd be better. Yeah. Right, let me try that battery that I was just on about as well. So I have, what we've got here, an MPF 550 battery. So let's put it in the one slot. Apparently it does work with just the one battery. And the moment of truth. So on the back, you've got a switch, 1, off, and 2. 2 is for the power supply, 1 is for the battery. So ready? Ooh, it's working. Well, there we go. Let's turn it up. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, that is bright. Ooh, let's try the yellow. See the yellow lights coming on? And then both of them together. Oh, wow, that's super bright. Okay, let's turn it down. I'm scratching heck out my table. Right, tilt that back a little bit. So let's go all the way. Wow. Let's do the yellow. I think that could be as bright as that. My big softbox, but there. Let's turn these down. There we go. Yes. Hardly any flicker. What do you think? Have a closer look. There we go. Very impressed. Right, let's turn it off. And let's plug in the power supply. And then flick it to number 2. Right, I need a light stand. Should I bother? No. So this is the Neewer LED-NL660 in blue. You can also get it in red with the barn doors, as you can see here. Oh, I'm getting intertwangled now. It runs off power or 1 MPF battery. This is 550. I think you can get 720, 750, 950 and 970 is like the biggest one I've seen. I'm probably going to invest in a couple of those just so if I do need to film out and about. Yeah, well, I'm very impressed with this. I'm going to turn that light off. No, I'm going to do a side by side. Back now. Okay, so I've moved my table out the way. I've set up the Neewer NL660 by there, and right next to it is my usual softbox that I use. So I'm going to turn off the softbox. Ooh, that's quite yellow, isn't it? Let me fiddle with the setting. Look at the shadowing. That needs a bit of a softbox around it, doesn't it? Let's turn on the usual softbox. There we go. And then turn off the Neewer one. Impressed. Let me turn the other one back on. Yeah. That's kind of got on the same colour. It's just See, the shadowing's quite harsh over there. Definitely need to get 2 of these, I think. Let me turn the yellow off on the light. Right, so that's the yellow color turned all the way down. So just the pure white LEDs shining now. Yeah. I don't know, what do you guys think? What do you people think out there? Yay, nay, somewhere in the middle? Let's turn the other softbox, my usual softbox, plug that back in. It's, what is it, 135 watts, one of those curly CCFL softbox jobbies with a big softbox on the front, I guess you'd call it. Let's plug that back in. So it gives a much more diffused light. Let me diffuse that a little bit more. I've got a spare diffuser somewhere. So here's the spare diffuser of my other softbox I got. What I do, I need some clips. If you live near one of those bargain shops, Biology, or that's one I like, Home Bargains, whatever, you got like sometimes a pack of these clips. Very, very handy for YouTubing and everything. So I'm gonna stick those over that a minute. Ooh. Right, so I've stuck the diffuser over it. I'll tell you what, I'll show you what it looks like now. Let me get the other phone out. Right, so there's, oh, look at the flicker. So there's my usual softbox there. Next to it is the LED one, the Neewer one, and I've stuck the diffuser on there. Okay, so let's turn off my usual softbox. It's creating a less harsher shadow. It just doesn't seem that bright, does it? Bearing in mind that this is a 660 LED, 330 of those are going to be the white, and then the other 330 are going to be the yellow, the warmer color LEDs. Okay, so it's a bargain. You know, it was 40 odd pounds, 47 pound I think it was. Amazon Prime delivery, it came today, ordered it last night. I'm happy with it anyway, as long as it runs off a battery. I can use that when I shoot videos in work, or when I'm out and about, for example, when I'm shooting. So if you like this video, then please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, then please hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much. Anyway, that's enough for today's episode. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.